Hey everyone, in today's video we're breaking down NordPass, what it is, how it works, and why you might actually need a password manager. If you've ever struggled to remember passwords or worried about online security, this should help clear things up. So first, what exactly is NordPass? It's a secure password manager created by the same team behind NordVPN. It stores all your passwords, secure notes, and private information in an encrypted vault, so you don't have to rely on memory or risky shortcuts. Here's how it works. Your data is encrypted directly on your device before anything is synced to the cloud. That means only you can unlock your vault. Not NordPass, not hackers, no one else. You simply sign in using one master password or a passkey, and NordPass takes care of the rest. Now, why do you actually need something like this? Most people reuse the same passwords across multiple sites. It's very common, but it's also a huge security risk. If just one website gets breached, all your other accounts can be exposed. NordPass solves this by generating strong, unique passwords for every account. You only have to remember one password, while NordPass remembers the rest. It also autofills logins, payment details, and forms, saving you time and effort. You can securely store notes, credit card details, and personal information, all fully encrypted. You can even share passwords safely with family members or teammates. On top of that, the breach scanner alerts you if any of your saved information has been exposed, so you can change your passwords immediately. So if you're looking for better security, more convenience, or you're just tired of forgetting passwords, using a password manager like NordPass is pretty much essential.